Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new trending effect called Arcane on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you're into Arcane, the TV show, then you like this effect. For those of you who don't know what Arcane is, it is basically an animated action adventure streaming television series created by Christian Link and Alex Yee. It is currently showing on Netflix for those who are interested. So this effect basically makes you like one of those characters in Arcane. So let me show you how to find this Arcane effect on TikTok. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to search for Arcane. Now it should appear in the effects section here. If you scroll down, you should see the Arcane effect right here. And this is how it looks. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, to use this effect, just tap on Use this effect here. And as you can see, once you start the effect, you should see your face change into an Arcane character. For those of you who cannot see this effect, basically it means that this effect is not available in your region yet, and TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. And as you can see, this effect basically turns you into one of those Arcane character in the series. Now go ahead and create your Arcane TikTok video. And that is how to use the trending effect on TikTok called Arcane. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.